Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of August. And first of all, national news. People of UP stranded abroad will be brought back, Yogi Adityanath. Place along LAC necessary if China wants good ties with India, expert. IIT Delhi dropped one set of mid-semester exams to reduce students' stress. Invisible Development Round 2 of Tejashwi Yadav versus Health Minister on Bihar AIMS. Bakshi Stadium in Kashmir to host Independence Day function after 5 years. Landslides in rain battered Himachal Pradesh, blocked highways. 1,800 special guests, selfie points, center planned big for Independence Day. Minister Gopal Rai has appealed to the people not to use Chinese manja to fly kites. Taking steps to secure Indian mission, UK minister after Khalistan attacks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked citizens to take part in Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Now some international news. Terrifying experience for passengers as US plane dropped 15,000 feet in 3 minutes. North Koreans have been asked to safeguard sculptures, monuments, and paintings of the Kim dynasty as typhoon approaches. Walking 4,000 steps a day may reduce risk of early death, a study said. ChatGPT costs 5.80 crore daily. Maker may go bankrupt in 2024, a report said. Now some sports news. Cristiano Ronaldo shattered iconic record en route clinching first trophy with AL-NASSR. Kylian Mbappe has been reinstated in PSG's first team squad despite the ongoing contract dispute. Team India got new head coach for Ireland T20 International in absence of Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, a report said. Real Madrid's Militao to undergo knee surgery after ACL tear. Caribbean Premier League and WCPL to use red card to combat slow over rates. Roberto Mancini resigned as Italy head coach. Now news related to science. Sea creature with 20 arms, strawberry-like body discovered in Antarctic Ocean. US forests could become carbon emitters by 2070. Scientists warn. And that's all in news. Thank you.